the AI ChatGPT app to do for you. You need to explain to AI what is your outcome. For example, if you want AI to give you 100 or 200 video hooks for TikTok Reels, for YouTube Shorts, for Instagram Reels, AI ChatGPT will give you 100 hooks for your video so that you are keeping people captivated and intrigued, wanting to watch more of your videos. AI is a super awesome tool that I am using personally in my business. So I highly recommend or suggest that you look into AI. Why? AI will start dominating the industry. AI will start people of, AI can do work for you in about 5 minutes, 2 minutes, depending on the task and the prompt you are telling AI what to do. AI is a smart tool that you can use. So I personally ask AI multiple questions. Give me video hooks, give me video content ideas, and AI gives me a list. You need to be very specific as to what you want AI to be doing for you. AI, guys, is basically your personal assistant. If you are a business owner and entrepreneur and you have a personal assistant, think of how much money you will be paying your personal assistant. That's crazy, right? And AI ChatGPT can be your personal assistant, right? So